In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can actually go ahead to buy stocks on the Bamboo app. Recently, so many of you have been watching my videos on the top 10 stocks to buy every month, and one of the comments I get on most of these videos is that how do I buy these stocks on Bamboo app, or which app should I use to buy these stocks? Now for me, I use the Bamboo app to invest in stocks, and I'll be showing you the exact step-by-step guide on how to actually buy these stocks on the Bamboo app and invest in them. So if you're the kind of person who has been looking for this kind of video on how to actually buy stocks on the Bamboo app, then this is the right video for you. I'll be showing you everything you need to know about this. And if you are new here, then welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we'll teach you how to make money, how to invest your money, and how to manage your money the right way. So if you love content on these topics, please like this video and please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers very soon. Thank you. Now let's go straight into the video. Now right here on the screen, as you can see, is the home page of the Bamboo app. Now this is how the Bamboo app looks like. This is how the home page looks like. And in case you don't have a Bamboo account yet, please use the first link in the description of this video, or use the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on the Bamboo app. Now once you've created your account with the link in the description below, this is what you have once you log into your account. This is how the home page looks like. Now to go ahead and invest in stocks on the Bamboo app, you come here to where you have invest at the bottom, so I'll click on that. Now right here on the screen are the different investments you have on the Bamboo app, but for stocks you have US stocks and Nigerian stocks. So for this video, I'll be showing you how to invest in both US stocks and Nigerian stocks on the Bamboo app, but we are going to be starting with the US stocks. So if you want to invest in US stocks, just come right here and click on US stocks. So once you click on it, it will show you the different stocks that you have available on the Bamboo app. Now let me go straight to the point and let me just pick one and use. So let's, for example, I want to invest in, let's say, Apple stocks. Just come here, you can see where you have Apple, just click on it. Now right here on the screen, it will show you the details or information you need to know about this company or about the stocks. And you can see right here, one Apple share is about $269.52. That's the amount right now as at the time of making this video. And you can see the graph of how it has moved right here. So you can see it, that's for today. If you want to see for the last 1 week, just click on 1 week. If you want to see for the last 1 month, just click on 1 month, and so on like that. And then if you want to go ahead and see more information, just come right here. If you want to compare the stock with another one, just click on compare stocks. So you can actually compare Apple stock to another kind of stock. So let's say I want to compare it to let's say Amazon. So this is Amazon right here. Just click on it. So you can actually compare the two stocks together on the Bamboo app, which is a very good feature. So let's go back. And then aside from that, you can set price alert. That means that maybe you want the app to alert you when Apple stocks or any stock gets to a particular price. You can also do that. And then you can see right here, analyst ratings. So these are analyst ratings on the Bamboo app that you can see. And then you can see the more information about this company. This is our opinion. That is the opinion about this company. You can see it right there. And then if you want to see about Apple, so if you want to see about the company, you can always see it right here. So there are different things that you can see right here about the company or about the stock. So let's, for example, you are okay and you want to go ahead to invest or buy. Just come here to the bottom and click on buy. So you can see right here on the screen, it says the market is closed at the moment, but this order can be filled during extended hours of trading. Would you like that? So this means that if you want the trade to be taken during extended market hours, that means that if you want the trade to go on even when the market is not open, that's just the meaning. So let's click on yes, enable extended hours, or you can just wait for the market to open. That means that you take the trade now, but the trade will not go until the market is open. I hope you understand. So whichever one you want to do. So let's say, for example, I want to enable extended hours. I'll just click on it. I can see right here on the screen, it says how to buy. So I can buy using two methods. I can buy right now at the current price, or I buy at a particular price of my own choice. That's when you use limit order. But if you want to go ahead and buy right now, just click on buy now. And I can come here to enter the amount you want to use to buy. So let's say, for example, I want to buy this stock with, let's say, $50, for example. I'll just put $50 right here. And this is the number of shares I will be getting, is 0.18. And you can see the price per share. This is it right here. And then if you want to go ahead and review the order, just click on review order. You can see right here your balance is insufficient, which means that you need to have money in your wallet. So I need to have money in my wallet, so I'll just go ahead and make a deposit. So I just click on make a deposit, and then you can see my USD wallet and my Naira wallet. So for the sake of this video, I'll go ahead to deposit money into my NGN wallet. So if you want to invest in US stocks, you can actually use your Naira money or your Naira to actually invest in US stocks too on the Bamboo app. So for that, I'll just click on NGN wallet. So let's say for example right now I want to invest 150,000 naira. I'll just go ahead and put it 150,000 naira just for example, and then I'll just go ahead and click on deposit 150,000. And then right here on the screen there are different methods that I can use to make the payments, but I'll use direct bank transfer. I shall just click on that, and then they'll show you the account details to send the money to. So I'll just go ahead and do that right now.
A few moments later.
So I have just made a deposit into this account. So just come here, click on invest again, click on US stocks, don't forget. Then click on the stock you want to invest in. For this example, which is Apple stock. Then you come here to the bottom and click on buy. So I'll click on buy right there. Then yes, proceed. And then you come here to click on buy now. So you are buying right now, and don't forget enter the amount. So I'm investing $50, and that's about 70,100 naira on the app. So once you've seen that, just click on review order. So once you click on review order, then you see a summary of everything you want to buy. So this is a summary of the transaction you're about to take. So once you've seen everything, just click on place order, and you can see right there it's sending order, and this should go through within some minutes. So you can see right here on the screen, it says purchase successful. So if you want to check your US stocks, just come right here to the home page. Once you get to the home page, your portfolio right here, just click on US stocks. So I'll just click on it right there. And then you can see I have Apple stock in my portfolio right there. So you can be able to see your stock in your portfolio right there. And then if you click on it, you can also see more information like I showed you earlier. And if you want to see your total returns, so you can always see your total returns right here. If it's red, that means that it's in loss. If it's in green, that means that it's in profit. I hope you understand. So it has gone down a little by $0.27. That's just the meaning right there. So that is exactly how you can buy your stock or invest in stocks on the Bamboo app. This is for US stocks. I'll still be showing you for Nigerian stocks. Don't worry. Now, let's say for example you want to sell these stocks. Just come here to where you have sell again. You can see it at the bottom. Just click on it, and then you come here and say yes, proceed with extended hours. So just click on yes, proceed. You can see right where it says sell now. So if I click on sell now, I'll just enter the amount I want to sell. So let's say for example I want to sell my stocks of, let's say, $30. Let's say that's the amount I want to sell. Just come here and click on review order, and then to also show you a summary of what you're about to do. And then if you click on place order, the stock will be sold instantly. So I don't want to sell it right now. I just want to show you how it is done. Now, before I continue with this video, I want to let you know that I have just launched my ebook on the Nigerian stock market guide for beginners. Now, this is not like every other ebook you have out there with a bunch of loads that you don't learn anything at all. This one is different. Now, let me tell you what you'll be learning from this new ebook of mine. Now, the first thing is that you'll be learning how the Nigerian stock market works. A lot of people are just investing in stocks. They don't even know how the stock market works at all. You'll be learning this in this ebook. The second thing you'll be learning is how to actually analyze a stock before you even buy it. A lot of people don't even know how to analyze stocks at all. You'll be learning this in this ebook. The third thing is you'll be learning how to build a diversified stock portfolio that will make you consistent income. Number four, you will also be learning how to invest in dividend stocks that can be giving you passive income consistently. And number five, you will also be learning risk management in the stock market, which is very, very important. A lot of people are just investing in stocks and losing money. They don't understand risk management in the stock market. So you'll be learning this in this ebook too. And for number six, you'll also be learning how to invest from the diaspora. So for those of you that are in the US, in the UK, or anywhere outside Nigeria, I also want to invest in the stock market, this ebook is for you. And lastly, you'll also be learning a realistic roadmap to building your first 1 million naira portfolio in the stock market, no matter your income at all. So no matter your salary or the amount of money you are making every month right now, I built a way for you to build your first 1 million naira portfolio in the stock market. So you can see that you are learning a whole lot from this ebook. Now, if you are getting this ebook right now, you can get this for 50% discount. Yes, if you are getting it right now, you can get it for 50% discount, and it is only for the first 100 people. So if you want to get it, or if you are interested, click on the first link in the description of this video, or you can check the pinned comment of this video for the link to get the ebook. Thank you, and let's go on with the video. Now, how do you now invest in Nigerian stocks on the Bamboo app? Now, it is the same. Just come here to where you have NG stocks. If I click on NG stocks, then you click on the stock you want to invest in. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in, let's say, Access Bank. So this is Access Holdings right here. Let's say that's what you want to invest in. Just click on it. Now, this is just for example. By the way, if you want to see my top 10 stocks to buy every month, I always upload that on the first week of every month on this YouTube channel. So if you want to see the top 10 stocks to buy for this current month, just go ahead and check my recent videos on this YouTube channel. And you can turn on the notification bell on this YouTube channel so that you get notified whenever I drop the update every month. So right here on this page is where you can actually see more information or details about this stock or this company. And if you also want to compare Nigerian stocks, you can see it right here, compare stocks. So if I click on it, I can actually compare two Nigerian stocks. So let's say I want to compare Access Bank stock to maybe another company. Let's say ICO Insurance, for example. I'll just click on it, and right here I can actually compare those two companies. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that, which is really good. So let's, for example, I want to go ahead to buy this stock. I'll just come here and click on buy. And then right here on the screen, it says buy now. I'll click on it. And then right here, I enter the number of shares I want to buy. So let's say, for example, I want to buy maybe 2,000 shares of Access Bank, or let's say 2,500 or 2,500 shares of Access Bank. That's about 68,875 Naira. So once you're okay with that, just come here to where it says review order. And then right here on the screen, to show you the summary of that order. If you're okay with everything, just click on place order. And you can see right here in less than 15 seconds, the order has been submitted and then your buy order was successfully submitted. So just click on OK, thanks right there. And then if you want to see your stocks, again, come to the home page, come to where you have your NG stocks right here. So you click on NG stocks and you can see right here that I have Access holdings in my portfolio. So if I click on it right there, this is where you can be able to see how it is going up and how it is coming down. So you can be able to see your portfolio weight. So Access Bank is actually 12% of my portfolio. And you can see the average cost right there. So you can be able to see how it is going up and how it is coming down. Now, let's say you also want to sell this stock. Just click on it right there. Then come here to where you have sell. I'll click on it, click on sell now, and enter the number of shares you want to sell. So let's say, for example, I want to sell 1,000 shares of Access Bank. Once you click on it, this is the amount you'll be receiving. You can see right here, 27,550, and then just click on review order. And then once you click on place order, this is the amount you'll be receiving right here, and this amount will be transferred to your Naira wallet immediately. So it is as simple as that. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how can you now withdraw your money from your wallet back to your Nigerian bank account. So let me show you that. Before I show you that, please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's go back to the home page and let me show you how to actually withdraw your money directly to your bank account. So we are here on the home page. Now to withdraw your money, just go to your NGN wallet. Click on it right there. Now once you click on it, come here to where you have transfer. You can see where you have transfer right here. Click on transfer. If it's that you want to deposit, you click on deposit here. But now that you want to transfer, just click on transfer right here. And then you enter the amount of money you want to transfer. So you can see my cash balance is about 14,000. That's the amount I have as cash balance in my Nigerian wallet. So let's say, for example, I want to withdraw, let's say 10,000 Naira. Just put 10,000 Naira there. Then click on continue. And then you can see it says transfer to, that is where would you like to transfer to. So if you want to transfer to your Nigerian bank account, your USD bank account, or your USD wallet on the Bamboo app, whichever one. So let's, for example, I want to transfer to my Nigerian bank account. Just click on this. At the bottom of the screen, you see where it says add a new bank account. So once you add a new bank account and you click on enter, the money will be transferred directly to that bank account. It is as simple as that. So that's basically everything you need to understand about buying stocks or investing in stocks on the Bamboo app. Now, before I go, by the way, I want to let you know that I'm launching the personal finance app very soon. It is called Grony. Grony is a simple budgeting app that helps you to manage your finances and track your money the right way. So if this looks like an app you are looking forward to use, or maybe you are looking forward to actually check out the app when we launch it, please join the wait list for Grony. The link will be in the description below so that you get notified when the app is launched. Trust me, you're going to love what we are bringing out with Grony. Thank you. And please don't forget, you can check out my YouTube channel for the top 10 stocks to buy every month. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.